Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Wanjiko Ngari. I'm a CNA lab technologist and aesthetic assistant based in Nairobi, Kenya. In today's video, I'll be showing you a tour of our Draeger anesthetic machine. So if you like this kind of content, kindly consider to like, share and subscribe, okay? Welcome back. This is our Draeger anesthetic machine. This is our vent, monitor. These are our vaporizers.
For isoflurane.
This is isoflurane. This is Sivo. When you're refilling these gases for iso, use this one. Okay. This is our oxygen flow meter. This is the oxygen flash. This is our oxygen flash. This is our flow meter. Okay. Now, back to the screen. As you can see, my vent is on standby mode. If you want to start using it, you press here, start, then you confirm. Okay? Now, if I want to use, for example, sevoflurane gas, I'll come here, I'll press this button, 0, then I turn it to maybe 2. Then on my vent, you will see it is indicating Sivo. Alright? Then if I want to add, now if you want to do anything, maybe I want to add the oxygen flow on my machine, I'll press this one, represent oxygen, this one, then this is the flow rate. It reaches 15, the highest, okay? You will press here, 15, 12, 2, then you add. You add. You can see I'm adding, then you confirm. For you to be sure, you'll use the mask to confirm. Let me go back to 0 because I don't have any patient. Only 0. Tunapoma kwa 2. Now, whatever you do, then you confirm. You press this confirm button. Okay? Then another, if I want to start this screen, I'll just tap it.
But you have to fix the patient on.
But you have to fix your patient. Here we will be monitoring heart rate, SpO2, blood pressure, okay? Then temperature. Cancel. But because I'm not using it right now, I'll go back to standby mode. Then standby, confirm. Standby. Another serious aspect when it comes to our machine, it is the suction. Come with me, let me show you our suction. That is our suction bottle. Here. Ensure before any case you have your suction. Here. This is our suction. This is where you start it. This is where you on it and off it, okay?
Yes, on it.
These are our cables for the ECG leads, SpO2, BP, and etc. Now, when we are looking at the circuit, we have 2 types. We have open and closed. In this case, this one is the closed circuit. This is the open circuit. Okay? Another aspect is this one, the CO2 absorber. Ensure you write the date you have. You can see like mine, I started it on the 12th, 9th of 2024. Then the date you have changed. Okay?
So itaenda ikichange color.
It will go changing color from white to purple. Okay? Then here I have my extras. My blades, my gills forceps, etc. Here my other supplies, okay? You can see the BP cuffs, mask, but they are not sterile. This one is our
Alafu ni trend inaekwa dawa.
scavenger system. This one, okay? In my previous video, I showed you the color coding for different gases. So you can go check for you to know which is nitrous oxide, but
Nitrous ni ya blue, but unaona
this one is
nitrous.
vacuum, yellow vacuum, nitrous, blue. This one is medical air, and this one is oxygen, the white one. But I have a detailed video on my YouTube video. Then we have different types of, when it comes to the circuit, we have different types of tubes. We have for pediatric, like this one, this is a pediatric one, like a small child. It has different sizes, okay? Then you have your stethoscope here. And sure you have this one, to auscultate after intubation. Then here we have my head ring. This is very important. During positioning, you have your head ring and your sandbar. Okay? Until next time, bye-bye.